Hello, in this video I will guide you how to change master PIN, change user PIN and fingerprint registration, Wi-Fi registration in Samsung door lock. Model name Samsung SHP DR708. To register 0. Master PIN 1. User PIN 2. Fingerprint. To change 1. Register 2. Delete 3. Delete all. Changing master PIN. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Step 2. Press REG back button once.
Press the password and the asterisk sign to manage and open.
Step 3. Key in your master PIN followed by star. Step 4. Press 0 plus star then key in your new PIN followed by star. Your master PIN has been changed successfully. Changing user PIN. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Step 2. Press reg back button once.
Press the password and the asterisk sign to manage and open.
Step 3. Key in your master PIN followed by star. Step 4. Press 1 plus star twice then key in your new PIN followed by star. Your user PIN has been changed successfully. Fingerprint registration. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Step 2. Press reg back button once.
Press the password and the asterisk sign to manage and open.
Step 3. Key in your master PIN followed by star. Step 4. Press 3 plus star and 1 plus star then tap your finger on the fingerprint scanner 3 times. Your fingerprint has been changed successfully. Wi-Fi registration. Step 1. Download the Samsung Smart Door Lock app from the App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Remove the back cover and press the REG button for 5 seconds. Note: door must be closed.
It starts to register a Wi-Fi.
Steps are inside the app. Open the app and select SHP DR708. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to your digital door lock Wi-Fi. Now connect your home Wi-Fi and wait for few minutes.